This is the Sim pump box. It's a 3/4 horsepower. You can see right now we got 60 psi coming in. We have it set up in case the water gets turned off. You know, it goes to the bypass. And what's critical is, let's say we turn it on and you don't have any water running in it. That's why you always want to pump with a bypass. So we let the water come in, and we're up to 100. And let's see what this baby can do. $120. And it'll be in a 2-box. 160. 175. 180. Ah, crap, we can't redline it. Anyways, 180 psi. Can your pump do that? It's the Sim 2-box pump. All this fits in the 2-box. 775 Marathon 3/4 pump. 3.5 standard Flow-Tech pump. It's 5 gallons a minute. Anyways, you can hear it humming. I'm filling up my system here. Actually, what it's doing is running through my system, which is charcoal and sediment. You can see the wastewater. Look at that shooting out. And then I have the same pump in my system. My tank's almost full. So we'll turn this baby off. And so it's really simply simple. Basically, the water will be coming in one end of the 2-box and going out the other end. So water in here, water out there. You're good to go. Adjustable up to 180, but I recommend keeping it, 120. So anyways, ready to go.